Meet the Ninja UltraCrush Professional Blender. Equipped with our total crushing blades and 1,000 watts of blending power, it's easier than ever to crush ice, create the perfect smoothie, and blend through your favorite recipes, all in one XL pitcher.
Along with the XL 72-ounce pitcher and 1,000-watt motor base, you'll get the stacked blade assembly. Your first step to powerful, consistent blending is to place the pitcher on the base and lock it into place. Then, carefully add the total crushing blade. Add your favorite ingredients, then choose from 4 manual speeds, low, high, max, or pulse, to control the texture and consistency of your blend. Ready to create something fun? Let's make a classic frozen margarita in the XL pitcher. Place the stacked total crushing blade in the pitcher, then add the ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of ice, 2/3 of a cup tequila, 1/3 of a cup orange juice, 1/4 of a cup triple sec, the juice of 1 lime, and 1 lemon. With the unit powered on, press high. Ninja's total crushing technology turns ice to snow in seconds, creating that smooth, resort-style frozen drink. And just like that, the perfect margarita, deliciously blended and ready to enjoy. Cleaning is a breeze. All containers, blades, and lids are dishwasher safe. You can also hand wash using warm, soapy water. Use a dishwashing utensil with a handle to avoid direct hand contact with the blades. The motor base can be wiped down using a clean, damp cloth. That's the Ninja UltraCrush Professional Blender, delivering power, precision, and performance in every blend. Looking for more recipe inspiration or have more questions? Visit sharkninja.com to find everything you're looking for.